Hey guys, let's jump back into this mix. Actually, you know what? I don't know why I didn't put the double bass down here with the string section. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, so now let's move on to the piano, which seems to be playing throughout the whole song. So this is probably the main instrument. I'm just gonna bust this since it has a left and right. And so since we have a bass, I don't want the piano to be taking up too much bass. I'm actually going to use my SSL on this one again. Yep, I want to cut out a lot of the bass on the piano, so I'll just do a low cut. I want to leave room for the bass to take up that space. This song sounds really weird right now with everything's in a different space. So that's something we're gonna have to fix in a little bit. The piano's a little too dynamic. Okay, so let's move on to the acoustic guitar. Got a left and a right. Still need to leave room for that bass. And on this one, I'll need to cut down some of that string sound so it's not too clicky. And I can just do that with a high-end shelf. I don't have to do any notching. kick was just bothering me. It was way too snappy. Yeah, I didn't really know what this was. It's almost like I guess that's a mandolin. Nashville 6-string. Sorry, I'm not a guitar player, so I don't know all the lingo. But we definitely don't need the low end from this interfering with anything in the mix, so I'm going to high pass this pretty hard. There's like a weird ringing. I'm going to see if I can narrow it down.